Welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I'm gonna review something pretty darn expensive, and that's the DMH model of the Porsche 911 GT2 RS 991 version. So this is limited to 100 pieces, and it's the Gulf Blue. So DMH is Described Machine Honor. It's a 164 resin brand that is pretty renowned for making absolute bangers, and this is no exception. Here you go, take a look. Of course I'm gonna remove this plastic to make it where is the tape? There you go, there's the tape. I'm trying to not ruin it in the process. So I'll go over the Porsche, don't worry. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow. Wow. I mean, look at that. It's pretty expensive, so yeah, I'm just enjoying it. Taking it all in, and yeah, I'm gonna let you know the price later on. This is a model 51 out of 100. So there it is. You got that carbon plate which reflects the car a lot, which is very, very nice. I really like it. You got that Porsche GT2 RS logo, which is also in carbon. That plate there. Very nice. Gulf Blue, Porsche logo. I mean, DMH, their presentation is just on point. Should I take this little piece off? Should I? I don't know. But I'm gonna go through and review it like this first. I mean, look at that. It's so nice. So, this Gulf Blue is a paint to sample by Porsche. So, it's actually painted in real life. So, that's pretty neat. I really like this. So, the plate number is just the GT2 RS logo. Up front, we got no plate numbers. I mean, let's go through the rims first. I mean, these rims are perfect. You got the brake disc that is clearly visible. Caliper yellow to signify that there are carbon ceramics. So carbon ceramics on this 991 GT2 RS. Very dope. The tires are really nice as well. You got that detail right there. I mean, just everything looks amazing. I don't know what to say, but wow, I mean, just take it in, guys, as well. This is actually perfect. I mean, that's what I'm expecting from a resin. Oh, I have noticed a little detail that is not perfect. So notice that little air duct in front of the front wheel. It's not attached. The black paint is not there. Oh, I'm zooming too much. There you go. That black line is not attached to the vent, which is not supposed to be like that. Which is unfortunate, but hey, I don't mind. I mean, look at the front end. There's a sort of lip in front of the bonnet, or the hood, whatever you call it. Look at that. Wow, this is absolutely the finest attention of details are in this. So should I reveal the price? First, the wing is perfectly aligned. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. This has to be a 10 out of 10. It has to be. I mean, there's nothing better than this. I'm pretty sure Suhei, what's it called? Is it Suhei? I'm pretty sure it's called Suhei. S-U-H-E, I believe. Or they are also making a GT2 RS, and I bought the DMH one because it was better. I could see in the photos it was clearly better, this one. And it is clearly better. I mean, look at those exhausts surrounded by that orange. I mean, I love this two-tone paint. Everything that is orange is supposed to be black on a regular GT2 RS. but it looks so good. It looks oh so good on this. So you got that orange stripe, carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber hood. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely perfect. And you got that carbon fiber intake to cool the engine. Wow. So the GT2 RS, I believe, is not naturally aspirated, but it is a twin turbo, is it? But there is still some, it still takes air into the engine. It got air cooling. This is peak 911, isn't it? This still holds, does this still hold the Nürburgring record? I don't think so, but it's probably in the top 5. This car is so good as a DMH. The execution is perfect. Really, it's pretty darn good. The interior is a little lacking. I can tell from here, the interior is nice. Wow, you can see some white stitching across the seats. I take back what I say. Look at that, white stitching on the dashboard as well. No, I take back what I said on the interior. The interior looks good as well, but not like DMH good, I believe. I believe they can do better. But, oh my goodness, this is a 10 out of 10. And what did it cost me? The reveal. This Porsche DMH 164, for 164 scale, I'm kind of, yeah, it's expensive. It cost me 70 US dollars. Oof, yes, it's expensive. But it's worth it though, is it? Is it not? This box is special in itself because it's not that typical square box. Because look at that, you got boom 2 angles in this box. Carbon fiber plates, only 100 made. I believe there are some pieces that are handmade in this model, so that's pretty sick. And the result is a incredible, truly incredible 991 GT2 RS. And this paint to sample Gulf Blue is exceptional as well. It's a little weird as a color. Of course, you see that on the road, you'd think, oh, it's a wrap. But no, it's paint to sample, and it's perfect. And it's perfect as a DMH as well. Absolutely love those RS wheels. They're perfect. Brake calipers, perfect. Brake disc, perfect. Really nothing to critique here. No defects as well. Oh yeah, I was even talking about that little air vent thing, but that's so minor, I'd ignore it. So you got Porsche written across the rear wing, and it is centered. I love it. It's centered. You got the 2 holes above the to support the wing. There you go, and it's perfect. It's really perfect. There's nothing for me to say anymore. Just if you love the GT2 RS, don't get the Suhei one, get the DMH one, cause this is so much better. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. This was pretty fun to review because yeah, it was expensive, but my goodness, I don't regret buying this. I do not regret buying this. This is absolutely insane. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other videos. Bye bye.